Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Allison Rogers, Instructional Technology Specialist here at RISA, and today's Tech Tip Tuesday is going to focus on the Google Chrome extension called Extensity. So Extensity is an extension that basically allows you to organize all of your other extensions. So sometimes we have lots of extensions that are running in the background or kind of clutter up our extension toolbar, and it's a nice easy way to use Extensity by enabling or disabling all these different extensions. It keeps your toolbar clean. It allows you to turn off and on extensions with just one click, and it just is a nice way to keep things organized. So start by going to the Chrome Web Store and type in Extensity, and then go ahead and add that to your Chrome. And the extension looks like this icon right here. And if I click on Extensity, it gives me a drop down and it lists all of the extensions that I have. So notice that I have a lot of extensions that are sort of faded, meaning that they're not enabled right now, and the ones that are darker means I have those actually enabled. So if I feel like I have too many extensions on my toolbar, which I clearly do right now, I can go through and I can select those and watch them disappear. So my extension toolbar will get shorter and shorter the more extensions I remove. Now I can obviously bring those back by just simply clicking on them and adding them back to my list. So up at the top here, I can also switch it off and on. If I turn it off, it will get rid of all of my extensions. If I turn it on, it will turn them all back on. So with one click, I can turn all of my extensions off if I want. Next, if I click this little puzzle piece, Chrome Extensions, it will take me to where it would take you if you went to your settings in Google Chrome, more tools and extensions. It takes you to that same page, and so this is the place where you can see all the extensions that you have and can manually look at the details, remove them, turn them on or off, or search for them. Now if I go back to Extensity, I have the option to also click the little gear icon for options, and it takes me to a page where I can kind of personalize how I want my Extensity set up. So for example, right now when I click on Extensity, all of my extensions that are turned on are kind of sporadically throughout because they're alphabetized, but if I want to instead maybe show them at the top, I can click that. Notice that the show search box is selected too. I can click Save. And then now when I go back into Extensity, all of the extensions that are enabled come to the top, and then the ones that are turned off are at the bottom. And if I want to search for a specific extension, I can go to the search bar and go directly to my extension that way. So basically Extensity is a really nice way for me to be able to just go in and manually turn on or turn off various extensions, or to turn them all on and turn them all off instead of having to go to more tools, extensions, and then do it that way. Instead I just simply click on Extensity and enable whichever extension I'm looking for or disable whichever extension. So that's it for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. If you have an idea, question, or suggestion for a Tech Tip Tuesday topic, email me and your idea may be featured in a future training or Tech Tip Tuesday blast.